In this given expression, I just have to solve for x. So basically I have x over 2x plus 5 plus 5 over 2x plus 5. So since the denominator is common, I can directly add the numerators, which is nothing but x plus 5 over 2x plus 5, which is equals to 3. And I can send this to the other side. It will get multiplied with 3. So in the other side, I have x plus 5 equals to 3 times 2x plus 5. So if I just expand this side, it remains same, and it would be 6x plus 15. And let it be like 6x comes to this side, it would be x minus 6x, and this 5 goes to the other side, it would be 15 minus 5. So this case, in this side, it would be minus 5x equals to 15 minus 5 is 10. So x is nothing but 10 over minus 5, which is nothing but minus 2. Option B is the answer.